All right, here we go, everybody. I'm going to show everybody how to use AdobeScan, or you can use Cam Scanner, but I'm going to show you how to use AdobeScan to scan a document. So what we need to do is scan one. Okay, so just hover above where you are working and center the document, directly above. Kind of center it. Make sure you're not at an angle like this right here. That's not good. Not good. All right, so make sure you're centering it. And then, go ahead and take that picture. And it will automatically try to frame that page or that scan of your work. So you go ahead and you can adjust it here, of course. You can adjust it to the document. So you adjust the corners, and that will crop the document so it makes it a little bit cleaner. So you can go ahead and do that and adjust it. And then obviously go ahead and select continue. And if you have more than one page, let's say you have another page here, and you do another page, you can scan as many pages as you want, and it will collate it all and make it into one file. So you're only uploading one file, even though you're scanning multiple pages. So I just did an example there for 2 pages, but again, this you can take as many pages as you want. When you're done, just go ahead and select the document, and you'll see the pages come up. See, there's the first page, there's the second page. And like I said, you can scan as many pages in your work as you like. Well, what you need to do is save it to a PDF, right? So look in the upper right, it says Save PDF, and that's the only acceptable format I accept. So don't upload a picture, upload a PDF. So go ahead and select Save PDF. That will save it to your iPhone or your other device, whatever it is. And let's say you want to get it from your phone to your computer. Okay, so what you do is you go ahead and share a copy. So up at the top of the screen, there's a share button. You go at the bottom of the screen, it says share link, email, and share copy. Just select share copy. I think that's the easiest way to do it. And there's choices here. So if you want to email it to yourself, you select the mail icon. We'll do that first. I don't think this is the fastest way, but you could do it this way. You can type in your own email address, and there's mine right here. And this is just a test scan, so I'm going to call it test scan. But obviously you put in the right title. And then go ahead and send it to yourself, and then it should appear at the top of the screen here in a second, indicating that there it goes right there, that you sent it to yourself. And then you go to your computer, download it from your computer, put it on your desktop in the correct folder, and you're good to go. Okay, that is one way, although I don't do it that way. I think a better way would be to share a copy and to your Google Drive. So you obviously have to have the Google Drive app on your phone, so go ahead and download that first, obviously, and link it to your school account. I'm going to open up my school account because I have that and a personal. You got to select the folder that you want it in, so you select your drive, and then you got to pick the folder in your Google Drive where you want it. And if you don't have a a folder called MRWC in your Google Drive, then you need to make one. Now I have one, it's right here. And you put it in theme 1, put it in section 1. If you don't have those folders made, then you have to make that. And I'm just going to put it in right here just for fun. So I'm going to save it right here and then upload. So at the top of the screen, there's an upload button. It uploaded it. And then from there, you go to your computer, open up your Google Drive, and it will be in that folder. So for example, if I go into my Google Drive, it's right here. And again, you have to download the app. It should be in here. In theme 1, I think I put it in section 1. Okay, and there should be a scan. Today's date is the 4th. There we go. And it's right there. So this one right here, scan September 4th PDF. Okay, there it is. And then, of course, it's on your computer at that point, right? So you can upload it to Canvas. So there's another way to do it, though. So let me go back to the AdobeScan app. So I want to share again, share a copy. And you can email it. You can send it to your Google Drive. And guess what? You need to download the Student Canvas app. Believe it or not, there's an app on your phone at the App Store for Canvas for the teacher and the student. You download the student one, and then you click on that and you follow the prompts and you upload it to Canvas from there. That's probably the easier. easiest one. And I have the Cam Scanner app too. That's another scanning program. Both, it's done the same way. The last method you could do is you can, if anybody has a Dropbox, you can get a free Dropbox account, especially if you run out of space on your Google Drive. Go to Dropbox.com, get the free account for 2 gigs. It's free. You can upgrade if you want a bigger account, you have more space, but you have to pay for that. But if you want a free account, you can get into Dropbox, and then, of course, you can save it to Dropbox. You just select Dropbox, and then you choose a destination in your Dropbox, and you pick your destination, and you go from there. Okay, I'm not going to go through that because don't have to. If your teacher has a Google Classroom, you can download the Google Classroom app and send it to your Google Classroom by clicking on the Classroom app, and you can upload it to your classroom. And it might take a second, but there you go. So, I have multiple classes last year at the end of school. So if you have a Google Classroom this year with a teacher, you can do that too. A lot of different options. I suggest you upload it straight to Canvas from here, or upload it to your computer, to the Google Drive, because you can access it anywhere in the world. Okay, so you got to get organized though. Create your folders. If you need any other videos showing you how to do things that we need this year, let me know. This is Ainsworth, and I will talk to you later. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.